What is Color Muse? Color Muse works with an app on your iPhone or Android to scan and match colors. Just place Color Muse on a surface and press Scan on the app. The app will show a list of the best color matches to products. In this case, the app is matching Sherwin-Williams paint. Color Muse can match many other paint brands as well, and products such as flooring, textiles, laminate, furniture, even apparel and shoes. The Color Muse device is $59 and the app is free. Color Muse can tell you the color in a variety of notations such as RGB, hex, lab, and others. It can accurately digitize colors you see in real life, such as magazines and products. Color Muse can tell you the best color match or help select coordinating colors. Color Muse app allows you to save colors you like into custom palettes. You can even take photos as notes to help you remember. You can share your palettes via most social media or via private web link to a colleague or client. For more information, please go to www.colormuse.io or simply search Color Muse.
The last time your car's check engine light came on? Did you know what was wrong? Did you know what to do about it? Did you know if the problem was severe? Fixed is here to translate your check engine light. Our sensor plugs directly into your dash and sends notifications to your phone when problems arise. A summary of the problem is provided in simple terms, complete with consequences of continued driving. The severity of the problem and instructions on what to do are given to ensure the safety of you and your vehicle. Multiple vehicle control allows access to all of your cars, and an active timeline reminds you when it's time to service them. Completed maintenance tasks are recorded to create a comprehensive and exportable vehicle health record. Take the guessing out of your check engine light and get fixed.
Break out from the ordinary with the Inventions electric wine opener gun. This sleek, fun design will complement any home bar and delight all of your guests. Simply pull the trigger to remove the cork from the bottle. The wine opener will automatically stop once the cork is fully removed. Then push the trigger forward to extract the cork from the barrel of the gun. Be a boss at your next gathering when you whip out the wine gun to open that vintage cab. The Inventions powered wine opener comes with a rechargeable holster. Be trigger happy as it will uncork over 30 bottles on a single charge. Each product comes with a wall charger, adapter, and foil cutter to remove labels quickly and easily. The wine gun comes in two different styles, simulated steel and firearm pink. Embrace the fun with Inventions electric wine opener. Go ahead and pop one off today.
Spinning up to 110,000 RPM, the Dyson digital motor is the heart of a new kind of hairdryer. It's faster and lighter than some motors, which can make other hairdryers top-heavy. This motor sits comfortably in the handle, while a microprocessor monitors air temperature 20 times a second to prevent extreme heat damage and help protect natural shine. Dyson Supersonic.
Insta360 is a new kind of camera. It shoots every moment from every angle in stunning 5.7K and 18 megapixels. Flow state stabilization is impossibly smooth. A 6-axis gyro means you don't need any gear. Just mount the 1X anywhere, and your footage comes out like butter. Attach our purpose-built selfie stick, and it disappears from your shot automatically. Once it's gone, you've got a flying camera. This is Time Shift. Effortlessly control time and perspective. Suit up with the drifter case, then go airborne and capture impossible angles.
The Ninja Coffee Bar system comes complete with a variety of brew types, sizes, and features that you can't get anywhere else. Pod-free enables you to use your favorite coffee grounds for unlimited variety when brewing a single cup or full carafe and everything in between, like the new XL Cup and XL Multi-Serve travel sizes. The Ninja Coffee Bar system allows you to further customize your coffee with Ninja's advanced thermal flavor extraction technology by creating variable levels of richness from the same grounds, including the Ninja exclusive Cafe Forte, which amplifies the natural, subtle flavors for a sensationally different coffee experience. Top off your favorite beverage by using the Ninja Coffee Bar's integrated frother to easily froth both hot and cold milk.